Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use VPN on Mac without software. So here it's pretty simple to do. Go to your settings and then go to your network. From network you will see this three dots in the very bottom right here. Press that and then add a VPN configuration. So here you can add a VPN and you can use it with your Mac. So it's going to depend on your VPN provider, but it's just showing you how to add one. So to fix it, you will just have to choose between these three. So usually you would use the LTTP, L2TP over IPsec option right here. Here, you change the name. Next, the configuration. Next is the server address and the account name, which is the most crucial parts right here. And then user authentication. So it's going to depend on what you're using, if it's a certificate or a Kerberos or crypto card. And then here, the machine authentication. And then here, your shared secret. And then from there, you can place a group name if you want to organize it. Here, the options, you don't really have to do anything with TCP IP also and DNS also and proxies, and only if you know what you're doing, this is where you actually just change the settings if you want to. So there you go, that's how you add a VPN on your Mac without softwares. It's just that simple. So of course you're gonna get a VPN from somewhere, but this is just how you add it into your VPN right here in your Mac.